As you start thinking about the screencasts you need to make, or have been asked to make, let's cover a few basics of the type of content that makes a good video. When making a screencast video, the majority of your video should be screen-based. This could be a PowerPoint, software demo, recording a web browser, really anything that you can see on your screen, including any movement or changes. If you can see it, you can record it. Depending on your audience and what you're showing, screencasts can also include webcam video of yourself or of someone else speaking. You'll also want to consider other parts beyond just what you can see. Many screencasts will include audio, including voiceover, sound effects, and music. Once your video is recorded, you can edit it and add other effects to enhance your message. Maybe add some transitions between clips, or zoom in to emphasize a portion of the screen, or even add text for additional information or context. We'll talk about all of these and more. Up next, let's start the planning process.